Hello, 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 boys and girls. Welcome back with the third puzzle. The third puzzle, a binary puzzle in the additional of today's newspaper on Wednesday. Yes, it's still Wednesday, November the 29th, 2023. I've already solved two puzzles. The Sudoku with 3 stars, Sudoku with 4 stars. Two puzzles are left. The Jigsaw Sudoku with 4 stars. And the binary. Yes, it's binary time. This one will be number 7533. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one is 17 printed digits. And what kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count. The 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means in a column or in a row, there are always 4 ones and 4 O's. Alright, so let's get started. Double O, here one, there one. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. And then double one, here no, there no. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Between the ones comes an O. Between the O's comes in 1. Double one, here no, there no. Between the O's comes in 1. Between the O's comes in 1. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double one, here no, there no. Between the O's comes in 1. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. 4 ones we have here in the last row, so the rest are O's. And double one, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. Let me see. Between the O's comes in 1. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. And 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. And 4 O's we have here in the first column, so the rest are 1s. Then 4 O's we have here in this column, so the rest are 1s. Double one, here no, there no. Between the O's comes in 1. Between the 1s comes an O. Between the O's comes in 1. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. And a double O, here one, there one. Finished in 2 minutes. Well, without comparing. We solve it again, and I like this one, yes, so we do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file, so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with the last puzzle, the Tectonic, aka Jigsaw Sudoku. Until then, bye-bye for now.